guess I'm getting pulled over now. I wonder how fast I was going. Never done that before. I'm here in Ashland, Wisconsin, heading out west. I think I'm going to Whitefish, Montana, which is a place I've gone skiing a couple times. I'm on my Versys 1000. Got her packed down, again, for hotels or camping, whichever happens. Got my fishing pole along. Hopefully I'm going to do some trout fishing. What is that thing out there? I'm not sure. I think it's probably for either loading iron ore. I think that's what it is, for loading iron ore on boats. Let's get going. Any day now. Holy smokes! That's a lot of bridge. Whoa! That's incredible. Holy mackerel. "65 degrees right now." I'm thinking when we are west of the lake instead of south, it's going to warm up. Which I wouldn't complain, but it hasn't been bad. Lots of woods on the way here. Pretty incredible. Minnesota. Oh wow. Incredible. I think I got to correct myself too. When I was taking the video of the ore transport, that was actually Superior, not Ashland. Versys 1000's been a good bike for me. I took this is my third trip out west on it. The only thing that ever gets tired is my hands. 120 horsepower, 1050 cc's, super smooth, and the only bike I've ever owned where all you do is give it gas and the front end comes off the ground. Gotta love that. Voodoo, I know my planes. Well, I'm just about to Grand Rapids, Michigan, which is not all that far west in Michigan. Quite a bit to go till I get to North Dakota. Pulling over for a little break and thinking I'm gonna probably get a hotel in Grand Rapids. I have no idea how big it is. Hopefully it's big enough. Done my usual research, which is 0. So let's find out. 6 hours on the bike today, so I'd be okay with stopping. Highway 2 is a very straight and wilderness road. Holy crap, there are not many people living on it. And not many towns either. Let's find out what it's like. Wouldn't mind doing a camping, but nothing to eat, so I definitely want to eat something. And if there's no place to stay, then I will find a campground. Oh shit, me? Oh man! And I guess I'm getting pulled over now. I wonder how fast I was going. Oh man, I guess I'll shut this off. Well, since I didn't get a speeding ticket, not that I think I was going very fast anyway, I decided I was going to get a hotel room tonight because I kind of need some sleep. I didn't sleep very well last night. But yeah, we're in Grand Rapids, Michigan. There's a lake across the street. Cool little townhouse. I think that's what it's called. And yeah, this is pretty cool. Small, clean, got a refrigerator. Oh yeah. Now I got to go get something to eat. Well, I am leaving my little room and hitting the road after I drop off the key. There we go. Found out a little bit about this place by Rapid City. There's lakes all over the place, and it's kind of like a little tourist place. I didn't know that. Could have found a campsite, I'm sure, pretty easily, but it was a little chilly. 48 degrees this morning, so yeah, hotel was fine. Maybe tonight, wherever I end up, if I can get my key to turn. Never done that before. Versys didn't like the cold weather either. Keys. Cool. Yeah, I recognize that liquor store. Whoa. I don't care how fast everybody's going, I don't need to get pulled over again. 45. A little chilly out today. I'm getting conflicting weather reports. My phone said 54 forever, and then it jumped up to 65. The motorcycle says 52. It feels like 52. Don't you hate how motorcycle speedometers are always off? I understand why they do it, but as soon as you figure out how much they're off, all you do is recalculate in your head. You really don't go any slower. And if you got a few motorcycles, it's hard to remember which is which. So it's nice when a GPS tells you how fast you're actually going. Used to be people waved at each other on motorcycles at the beginning of the year and the end of the year. Now they wave all the time, which is okay, but on a trip, when you pass 1,000 motorcycles in a day, it's kind of a pain in the butt. Well, I'm leaving the beautiful city of Stanley, North Dakota, and I took almost no footage going through North Dakota. Well, I'm about 3/4 of the way through. since it was so dang windy. Holy crap. I actually had to take the camera off because the wind was out of the south and it was pushing on that camera, jerking my head to the side so hard. I would try to hold it for a while and then I would just get tired of holding it, so I'd let it go, and I was getting a kink in my neck. I took that camera off and it was absolutely gone. So just that little thing hanging out there, that's how hard the wind was blowing. Gonna get hot. Not sure what my plans are.